everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are learning the slip stitch. It's the shortest stitch, and while it doesn't add height, it's super important for joining rounds, finishing edges and moving across your work. I'm using 4mm hook and a lightweight yarn. You can start with foundation chain or a row of stitches to practice on. Insert your hook into the next stitch or chain just like you would for any other stitch. Now yarn over once from back to front as usual. Pull the yarn, both the stitch and the loop on your hook into one smooth motion. That's it, you just made a slip stitch. Keep repeating that. Insert hook, yarn over and pull through both loops. It creates a flat, tight row of stitches. You will use slip stitch to join the ends of a round, seam pieces together, create a clean edge, move your hook to a new spot without adding height. And that's it, that's the slip stitch. Quick, clean and super useful. If you found this helpful, give a thumbs up, subscribe and keep learning with me in the next video.